Hi, boys and girls. Today in class, we're going to be listening to a reading of the Polar Express. And then I want you to explore the world above the Arctic Circle on Google Earth. So remember, when we're using Google Earth, you have to give it a minute to load. It's got a lot of data, and so it takes just a little bit for it to pop up on your screen. But when it does, I have the coordinates set to take you directly to where that Arctic Circle would be. So I'll give it just a moment. Yeah, even mine takes a little bit to load, especially when I'm recording a video. So what you're going to be doing, I want you to take a look at and explore around all the parts of the Earth that would fall within what we call the Arctic Circle. I want you to see if there's anywhere that Pegman can be dropped in on a part of the Arctic Circle or somewhere within the Arctic Circle, the part of the Earth called the Arctic Circle. And then I would like for you to tell me if there are any what countries, different countries that have land that fall within the Arctic Circle. Okay, so when I get there, it's going to drop me in at a place called the Arctic. Okay, I'm going to zoom out quite a bit just so I can get some perspective on where I'm at. So I can use that minus button and zoom out until I get a better idea of where exactly I have been dropped. Now, notice one thing I want to make sure is that you have those latitude and longitude lines on. That'll help you keep an idea of where you're at on Earth. You can get kind of spun upside down pretty easily. So we're looking for this yellow line right here. That tells us we're crossing into the Arctic Circle. So anything north of that line is going to be classified as the Arctic Circle. And I can move my Earth around this way. I can do it on the little, no, I'm not going to do that. Let's just spin it right here, okay? We want to make sure we're exploring right inside the Arctic Circle. Now, there's some things I can turn on to make life a little bit easier because right now I have no idea. I know the outlines of continents, as you do too, but I might not know exactly where I am at. So I can turn some things on here over here on the right-hand side. So I can change my map style. I think exploration, I like that. You could turn on everything. That just does give you some better borders. Do not do clean though. That you will get lost pretty quickly, I think. Okay. And so I want you to just kind of explore in there what countries have land that actually is within the Arctic Circle. You can see I'm kind of getting my my globe a little bit, skewed just a little bit. You see how it's turning. And remember, when we're thinking about perspective, okay, so, that right there is kind of how it needs to be turned, with the North Pole. It's, of course, we're tilted on the axis, but, keep in mind, you don't want to spin this all the way around and you actually accidentally end up exploring the South Pole instead. Okay, so I want you to see, is there anywhere where you can drop in Pegman? What countries have land that goes inside of the Arctic Circle? So tell me, right here, I can see these countries definitely have land that goes inside the Arctic Circle. What are those names of those countries? Here's some more land. All of these, all around here have land. So I want you to find out for me what countries those are. And then just give me, what's it like there, okay? You can find a place somewhere maybe that Pegman is going to be able to, remember, whenever we have blue, that's a place where we could definitely drop Pegman in and get some information that we have some Pegman data so we can see that street view. Okay, so I want you to find a place there. You can put them in and just describe to me what it's like there. I hope you have fun exploring almost the North Pole, but that land that is above the Arctic Circle. Have a good day, boys and girls.